there's not even.
We're watching Netflix and we're trying to dry out. We got the still raining out there.
More and more of
Got the heat on high here, and I don't have the heat pump, so it's really, really super hot. I don't think you can get this hot with the heat pump Teslas that are coming out now, the improved range. I just don't think they get this hot, but let me know if you guys know in the comments.
Via Hong Kong because they've.
Okay, the phone battery just stopped charging. Denise's apple is melting. I don't know. It's super hot in here. It says it's 111 degrees. According to my phone, it's 111 degrees with this non-heat pump heater. You like that? 111?
Yeah, it's a little warm.
Yeah.